Yeah, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo, and we back again with the consistency with your girl Geneva, but we got a special guest today. We got a special guest today.
It's your boy, I'm back at it. Hold on, got it something right here.
Hold on, wait, do it again. He already got the handprint. Wait, will it focus? I won't focus, go ahead.
I got it. Same spot and everything, look at it.
Hey, yeah, so my boy just so happened to tell me that he's never drove a manual before.
I haven't.
So I'm not gonna leave my boy hanging. I decided to sacrifice little Geneva, so without further ado, let's do it, my boy. Let's do it, my boy. So get acquainted with that clutch first. Hold on, let me come get in. You can let the windows down too. Ignore that, that's coming off. Ignore that, that's coming off. I had to tell him the same thing. So what you want to do, you want to get acquainted before you even attempt to take off. Get acquainted with that clutch. I got a stage 2 clutch in here, so it's a little hard for him, but yeah.
I just hold
get acquainted. Down, right? Yeah, like get used to pressing it all the way down, like it's a regular pedal.
You know, these legs was meant for pressing. You're not good.
Your next focus is first gear. So if you're acquainted with that, it's first, and I'm gonna show you the way that I learned. So put it in first gear, but keep your foot on that clutch. Okay, so you got the parking brake up, so the car's not gonna go anywhere. But I want you to slowly let your foot off that clutch until you watch that too. You can hear it, but watch the RPMs, and when they start to die down, push the clutch back in, but slowly let off. And you hear it starting to change? That still wasn't quite enough, so pull it back a little farther this time. All right, clutch. So you felt it was about to die and you caught it and brought it back alive. So that's kind of your middle point. That's where you want to give it more gas. It's at that point. Yep, and then down. Yep. All right, it's you, my boy. Get accustomed with it. Don't be scared of it. So remember that point on that other foot to where the car started to die?
Yeah. Get
to that point and then give it more gas, or even transition. More gas. More gas. You got out of first, so that works. So now I want you to go to second. In order to go to second, you got to drive up a little bit. Hold on. To go to second, you got to clutch in and then pull it all the way back, straight back. And now gas it before you let the clutch go. I'm trying to take off. Baby taps. All right. Boy, burning rubber. Right. So I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna record you. Remember the process though. When you hear it dying down.
Do you want to put it back in first right now?
Well, you got your foot on the brake and the clutch in. Yeah, you can. So
first, right?
First is over, up. Second, over, down. Third, middle, up. Fourth, middle, back. Fifth, right, up. Sixth, right, down. Okay. So you got 3 columns.
There's 3. That's 1.
That's 1. Yeah, that's 1. Yeah. Oh God, boy, I'm scared. Remember what I taught you. When you feel it die down. He finna blow my car up now. So how you like it?
It's different. I like it though.
So you getting the manual so you can ride out with me, right?
I'm gonna have to look into it. I might have to.
We rolling out together. We the bird gang. Nah, we ain't no birds. You said CJ?
Yeah.
We gonna bring you to torture next. I know you watching this video. You next. Just don't break my car. That's all I'm asking. But you definitely next, dog. Yeah, since y'all seen the last, ain't nothing changed but the dirt that accumulated. You feel me? Ain't nothing but a little dirt that done accumulated on the tires. Did a little religious driving before we started recording this video. So I'ma, like I said, send her on to the car wash so I can get my baby looking right again. Y'all want to come along?
Hey, so make them run it back.
Like you talking about something. Finna get active.